Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have something special for all the digital artists and graphic designers out there. The Veikk Creator VK060 Pro Pen Tablet. This sleek and powerful tool is perfect for taking your creative work to the next level. So let's dive straight into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Firstly, thanks to Multimedia Kingdom for this beautiful hand glove. Here's the box of the Veikk Creator VK1060 Pro. It has a clean and minimal design with the product name on the front and key specifications listed on the back. The box feels sturdy and well made, so we can already tell this is a premium product. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have the gorgeous tablet here. It's well covered and have a scanner to download the setup for this tab. We will uncover it later. Now see what's more inside. As we open the box, the first thing we notice is how neatly everything is organized and well protected. Now let's remove the packaging of this tablet. First up, we have the star of the show, the Veikk VK1060 Pro tablet. It has a super slim and lightweight design, and the build quality feels fantastic. The working area is 10 by 6 inches, which gives plenty of space for drawing or designing. It also has customable 8 buttons. Next, we have the battery-free pen. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and has 2 customizable buttons on the side for added functionality. The pen supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, so you can expect precise control. Here we have pen stand with 8 extra pen nibs. So whenever we need, we can change them easily. Here we have a set of extra pen nibs and a nib remover tool, so you're covered for long-term use. There's also a high-quality USB-C cable for connecting the tablet to your computer. The USB-C connection ensures fast and reliable data transfer. That's it for the unboxing of the Veikk Creator VK1060 Pro Pen tablet. My first impressions are that this is a fantastic device for both beginners and professionals in the digital art world. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful drawing tablet, this one is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tablet and if you'd like to see a full review or tutorial. Until next time, stay creative.